Hi sir, my name is Shiva. I am from Nellore in Andhra Pradesh. So I completed in graduation computer science in Ashanka group of institutions in Andhra Pradesh in 2020. And 2020 there is COVID period, so we didn't get proper placements in that. So I thought I have to go somewhere to find my better opportunities. I think Bangalore has lots of companies and institutes. They're growing to students better opportunities to provide. So once I came Bangalore, I just joined in Axis Bank in Whitefield. I joined a relationship manager. So I just worked in 3 months. Then I think it's not my career and my role. So then I decided to move on some my career. Then I researched in somewhere some institutes and everything. So AnalytixLabs, one of the leading institute. So mostly they are providing online courses. So that's why I thought there is a classroom facilities. After discussing everything, I thought they are providing good courses and it's good for everyone. So that's why I thought AnalytixLabs. So I think they are taken data science 360. In that they are giving basic to advanced level courses. In that they're mostly Excel, SQL, Power BI and Python. They're mostly going machine learning. So that course duration almost 8 months. So I completed 8 months. After that they are providing some case studies there, everything. So there's institutes, they are helping to solve that case studies and everything, to giving some more case studies to solve, and they're providing some mock interviews and vivas, everything. So after completing my course, they are offering me an intern. So almost I worked 1 year as an intern. So then I got a Flipkart opportunity, the data analyst. Then I joined a Flipkart. They're providing more 4 lakhs per year. Okay, they're providing basic to advanced level courses. So they are starting with scratch to advanced level courses. So in that they're providing mostly Excel, SQL, Power BI and machine learning, Python, so statistics, everything. So in that they're giving mostly teaching us to basics to advanced level. So they are helping to solve that case studies, everything. They are giving more projects to work on. They're providing placements and everything.